everyone. Okay, so I haven't done Pipsticks in a while, since September, because I have September and October here. So before the next batch of November comes, let's get to it. Let's see what we got. I cannot wait to open these. Pippi, these little booklets. So cute. This is, I get the classic and the kids pack. And this is the classic pack. And this is from September, so you probably already seen it, but I haven't, so we're going to go from there, right? So, let's see. Ooh, it is Halloween. Halloween time. Love it. So, let's see. Oh, look at how cute. They're all dressed up as moths. I'm going to scooch it in so we can see these together. Look at, they're dressed as moths and butterflies. How cute. And then we have, goes like that. So this is Little Shop of Horrors, I'm sure. A little spin-off from that one. So cute. And then we have this one. We'll go that way to this way. Little shelves, books, and oh, I love it. And then this one, which is the hourglass and eye, total like crystal ball stuff. Apothecary. Cute. This one, crafter life till afterlife. Here lie my many unfinished craft projects, rest in stickers, ran with scissors one too many times. How cute. Love it. Houses. You always get like letters. Sorry, I'm doing them too fast, so the camera doesn't like it. So we have cauldron with flowers in them, like succulents and mushrooms. Oh, and you get the little, oops, I did it too fast again. You get the eyeballs, ghosts, spiders, cauldron, crystal ball, spider web. How cute. Let's see, let me move this one here. Okay, then you have beads, Crayola crayons, witch please, how cute, cross stitch. Oh, look at this one. You get the sticker, which is the witch's hat. Then you get the Ouija board. And if you can hear the bullies, they're snoring away. Eye hearts. And then the frog. How cute is that? Oh my gosh, I love it. And then you get a postcard. This one's a cool one. I love that one. So you always get a postcard. Okay, so that was September. So that was Halloween. That was the adult pack. Well, basically classic pack. So let me get the other. Let me get the October. So this one is October's classic pack also. That's what it looks like. I'd rather stay home. Yep, pretty much. So, okay, let's see what we get in this one. We are going to get, ooh, I see coffee. I see coffee, coffee, coffee. Coffee is life, you guys. Coffee is life. Okay, let's see. Can we see that one? Yeah, there we go. So, yeah. So cute, you guys. That one's so awesome. Oh, and then you have pandas. Pandas with their boba tea and their little fish with ice cream. Oh my gosh. And then you get the little timers. They're the little timers, you know, the tomato, the cow, the frog. Oh gosh, so cute. So cute. Then you get your vegetables or your mushrooms. No, not vegetables. They're just mushroom house, maybe acorn. So, Those are the puppies. That's the portraits of animals. And then we have flowers. It's like a silver motif. Then we have Get Lost, Nap Time, Nope. How cute. Let's see if I can move these. Oh, look at that, you guys. Salt, pour it on. Gimme Sugar, olive oil, honey, salsa. This one is so cute, you guys. It has Aunt Jemima, the cafe coffee. Oh my god, when I have an accent now all of a sudden, I have no clue. But it has spaghetti and tuna. Oh, I love it. Oh my gosh, you guys, so adorable. And then we have the animals on couches, on furniture. Oh look, they have a bully. That's what I have. I have 4 bullies. And then they have the TV. The total retro TVs. Oh, I love it. Gosh, this company is so good. They're just so fun. Then you have the little stickers. And this one is the mushroom again, a leaf, a snail, or is that a centipede? I don't have my glasses on. I think it's a leaf. And then we have this one, which is like a s'more. Looks like a waffle. Oh, it's so cute. Oh my gosh. So darn adorable. Then you have the ramen noodles. The sriracha. Then you get this sticker. That's a cute heart boba. Oh, I love it. And then this one. Oh, I love this one. Breakfast. Breakfast. Oh, that sounds so good. Is it morning yet? Then you have Marmaduke. It's a Great Dane on the postcard. I love it, you guys. It's just, I love these stickers so much. So much. I cannot use them fast enough though. Oh my gosh. Okay, so then let's go with September's Kid Pack. So let me scooch you back out. This is September's Kid Pack. And you get, I have friends who have little girls. And so I sent them like a care package, like Happy Meal. Yeah, Happy Meal. And so I got rid of a lot of these, and it was hard because a lot of them I wanted to color, but I let them go, and I'm glad I did. But I gave them a lot of stickers, and those things for them to color. I hope it made them happy. So. You have a gourd and pumpkins. Oh, so this is like a fall theme. Oh, but still Halloween. So we get the Halloween. Let me scooch it back in because it's more fun. It's more fun seeing them, really. So, oh, look, you're like baking. So you have your KitchenAid. Then you get your little animals. Your owls. Oh, look at this one, you guys. Oh, caramel apples. And you can put your bow. Oh, so cute. And then you have your cupcakes. Your cupcakes that are Halloween. And your bats. Your bats and your ghosts. And your spiders. These look really good. And candy corn. Oh my gosh, how cute. Candy corn. He's a little devil. He could be a devil if you put the little pitchfork. Oh, and you can dress them up. Oh, how cute is that? It's so original. Then you have a pumpkin. I was trying to do a little sly there, but it didn't like it. Pumpkin. Oh, and you can put it as a jack-o'-lantern, so you can decorate it however you want. Cute. Then you have the skeletons. They're dancing skeletons. Then you have these two. Oh, look at the coffin. Oh my gosh. I move this. And then you have my favorites are last, of course, because these are my absolute favorites. These guys right here, the long ones. Oh, that's so cute. They're all sharing a broom. Let me show you the postcard first. And then I gave them a lot of postcards too that they could color. So those are so cute, you guys. And my last two are these favorites right here. The puffy stickers and the scratch and sniff. Those are my absolute favorites of the kid pack. And this one's grape. Oh my gosh, you guys, so cute. Oh, I love it so much. Okay, now let's look at the one for October. So let's see what October gets us. So I love that. Oh my gosh, see what I mean? I just want to color this myself. Let me scooch you out. Oh, look at how cute that is, you guys. I could just sit there and color. I really could. It's so relaxing. It really is. Let's start you off with that one. It is a tree that you can decorate. So, oh gosh, we have a lot of raccoons at our house. Oh, let me scoot you in. We have a lot of raccoons. We have a lot of wildlife, deer, raccoons, possums, fox. Yeah, they all come to the house and eat. And so this is cute, the little trash pandas. And then you have the dogs. Let me put these together. Oh my gosh, you have squirrels. And oh my gosh, let me just move this stuff over here. That way you guys can see these all in one sitting. Here we go. Oh my gosh, how cute. These are adorable. And then you go this way. Oh, love it. So fun. So fun. We got the scarecrow. The little foxes. We get fox also, coyotes. We get all of them here. The pumpkin pies, apple pies. And we have butterflies, the faces, hummus. That's interesting. Oh, look at that one, you guys. That one is so cute. It's like a pine cone house. Strawberry mushroom. And then the postcard are the snails. So cute. And last but not least are these. This one is cinnamon. Oh, I knew I was smelling cinnamon. I'm like, why am I dying here? I'm allergic to cinnamon, you guys. So I was like, gosh, it smells like, it's supposed to smell like grape. Why does it smell like cinnamon? I'm like, okay, why are my eyes hurting? Why am I going to need my inhaler pretty soon? That's why, because it's cinnamon. Yeah, so I'm going to have to get rid of that one. Really, really allergic to it. These sloths are so cute. I love it. Alright guys, before I can't breathe anymore, I'm going to say bye. But that was it for September and October. I love it. Awesome. $19.95 or $19.25. That includes shipping. That's what the cost of each of these kits are. So $19.25, I believe. So, alright guys, take care. Bye.